tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a vessel full of spring feelings. We've chose some Narcissus, which we will fill in this vessel, and we have some branches from the forest, which we use to support the Narcissus when they get growing. For this tutorial, we need following materials: a vessel where we can put the bulbs in, a shovel, a little one, some drainage material, and some soil. The first thing we are doing is put some drainage material into our vessel, and then we'll fill it up with soil, and then we put the bulbs inside. I've chosen two different ones. This one are the Narcissus bridal crown. They're beautiful. When they open up, they will be white. And I have here some normal Narcissus. They're the yellow ones. They're a little bit smaller, and I think it will be really beautiful when they are going together, because you have a composition in heights and in colors. I've bought these bulbs a week ago, and I just left them outside of the atelier, so they didn't grow yet much, because I want to enjoy them in their full life cycle. This one have already opened up a little bit. They might reach this height, and these ones will reach about this height. So we have different heights, which will be really, really beautiful. And we can start now adding drainage material to our vessel. So this might be enough. We just want to fill underneath some drainage material, because we don't want the water to stick underneath and cause too much humidity for the bulbs. And now we go on and we will add some soil. And I'm adding quite a lot of soil because I like when you can see the bulbs sticking out. We don't want to cover the bulbs fully like it would grow in a garden. Obviously they're in a vessel, so we can show the bulbs. I think it makes a really beautiful natural look. We have added the soil to our vessel, and as you can see, I've pulled back my sweater because I don't want to get dirty. It tends to be a little bit a dirty job when you're working with soil, so still try even then to keep your workspace clean. What we are doing now is we are going to take out the different bulbs out of their packaging, and I won't use all of them. You can see I'm positioning them quite high, so we can see them perfectly. And I'm going to fill the whole bucket really full, because we want this piece to be a full blooming piece of spring. And sometimes it might be not really easy to take them out. You can just press here a little bit, give some pressure to the pot, and then it's really easy to take them out. And as you can see, I'm putting them all quite near to each other, and I'll fill up the rest with the smaller bulbs. You can see I'm creating here some space for the last one, which we will add. We have added the Narcissus bridal crown. These are 12 bulbs in total, and now we can add the small bits here. I like to take this drainage material off, because I don't want that we see this white drainage material which comes from the wholesaler in our vessel. So this one is ready to go. And I'm finding some space where I can put them in. Don't rub them too tight, just be gentle. The material actually comes really easy off. We still have some space over here, and I can add, I'm sure, 2 of these bulbs. We can't fill any more Narcissus in our bucket, and you can see all the bulbs growing out of it. I think it's really beautiful. What I'm doing now is I'll cover it a little bit with some soil, so on the sides, so that we don't see the roots too much. We just want to see the bulbs. So actually this vessel is ready to go like this, but I like to support the Narcissus with some branches, and I've found some in the forest which we will use to support their heads, so when they grow high they won't fall over. So I'm distributing them in a nice way and trying to find the place where the tall narcissus are. So when they are opening up, this will make a really beautiful composition. So we have done this vessel, we filled it up with beautiful bulbs of narcissus. The heights when they are growing will vary, and we have put here some stems from the forest which will support the head from falling over. I found this vessel on a flea market in London, but you can use any vessel of your choice, whatever you just have around, maybe a terracotta pot or even a see-through clear vessel where you can see the soil and the roots. Please ask your questions if you have any. I'm sure it will be really fun to learn from each other.